Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to start one of the parts of speech, that is verb. Tenses we have done in the previous class. So today we are going to start with verb, and at the same time we will be revising tenses also. First is, the verb is a part of speech which is used to demonstrate an action or a state of being. Okay. Next, Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to start verb and tense. Verb is one of the parts of speech and tenses we have already done in the previous class. So we will be revising both the things. Definition: the verb is a part of speech which is used to demonstrate an action or a state of being. An aspect of verb which tells the time of an action is called tense. So these are the definitions. One of them tells us what is verb and the other one tells us what is time. What is tense? The simple present tense you have already done. The children go to school by bus. My elder brother leaves for school at 8 o'clock. You know them. That with the plural we don't have s or es with a verb, and if the subject is singular we have insertion with the verb. Okay, this much you know. Now coming to the first exercise, underline the verbs in the following sentences. Most of the children learn very fast. So this is a verb. Verb is a action word. So which action is going on? Learning is going on. So learn is a verb. The earth goes round the sun. Goes is verb. We never cross the street without looking left and right. We never cross. What we don't do? Cross. Cross is a verb. Many shops close on Tuesday in Bhopal. Okay. So close is a verb. Next exercise is, fill in the blanks with the simple present tense of the verb in the brackets. Sunday comes after Saturday. This is simple present tense. Simple present tense, you were told that these are used for the general things or the things which happens regularly. A cow eats grass. You look dull. Everyone enjoys magic show. Vikas works in a local college. Richa teaches history. Monkeys like bananas. Okay, so these are the general things. Next is use of am, is and are. You are told that am is used with I, is with the if the subject is singular, and are if the subject is plural. This much you know. Okay, I am, we are. We is a plural. You again considered as plural. So there is are after you. There is exercise 3 here. Fill in the blanks with am, is or are. Again, it's very easy for you to do. They are my good friends. He is a teacher. He is fit and fine. We are very happy. It is a cloudy day. You are right. Exercise 4. Fill in the blanks with is or are. Our teacher is very jolly. Mathematics is not a very difficult subject. Is dinner ready? Okay, dinner is considered as singular. This machine is very easy to use. All the windows, plural. So it will be followed by are. All the windows are open. Exercise 5. Fill in the blanks with there is or there are. You have done lots of exercise in your lower classes. There are too many people in the market. If it is followed by something plural, so that is there are, and if there is a singular, so it is preceded by there is. There is only there are. It's not is. Here it should be there are only a few passengers in the bus. There are stars in the sky. है ना, star is a plural noun. It is preceded by there are. There is a boy. A boy है singular है तो it should be there is. Who topped the board in our school. There is a very good Maharishi Vidya Mandir in Aligarh. Next, present continuous. You have been told all these things. Explain किया था मैंने previous video में. Present continuous we have is MR, first form plus ing. Okay, this is a revision only. Now here comes past tense. Okay, we have to write past tense of the following verbs like approve, approved, connect, connected, sleep, slept. Past tense means second form of the verb, है ना. Fall, felt, think, thought, climb, climbed, sink, sank, trust, trusted, है ना. I trusted you but you cheated me. Accept, I accepted your proposal, है ना. Verb 2. Catch, caught, है ना. The thief was caught by the police. Write, wrote. Okay, she wrote a letter to her father. Past tense. Fly, flew. The boy flew a kite. Bring, brought. Okay, my father brought me a new dress on my birthday. Learn past tense and past participle. Past participle means third form of the verb. As you can see here, you have 3 columns. So this is present, है ना. Arise is present. Arose is a past form and past participle is a third form of the verb. Arise, arose, arisen. Babysit, babysat, babysat. Be, was or were, been. Beat, beat, beaten. So this way, this is present form, past form and past participle. So in the same way, we have to write all the 3 forms of the following words. Like abide, and abide is present. Abode is simple past, means past tense, and abided is third form of the verb, means past participle. Abide, abode, abided. Fly, flew, flown. Bend, bent, bent with T. Grow, grew, grown. Tune, tuned, tuned. Stand, stood, stood. Pull, pulled, pulled. Swim, swam, swum. Fall, fell, fallen. Bake, baked, baked. Go, went, gone, है ना. Go, I go there. Went, है ना. We went to market last Sunday. Gone, he had gone there. Buy, bought, bought. Slide, slid, slid. Okay, she slid on the slide. Okay, yeah, she slid on the slope. Move, moved, moved. Start, started, started. Run, ran, run. He ran very fast. Okay. Pay, paid, paid. I have paid all the dues. Here paid is a third form of the verb, past participle. Pushed, pushed. Draw, drew, drawn. Loss, lost, lost. Okay, you have to go through all these things. Any of these words can be used as a example or as a question in exams. You must go through them and learn them by heart. Okay, next comes fill in the blanks, means fill in the blanks with the present continuous. We are enjoying a long drive. Jaya is washing the car. It is getting dark. The dentist is examining Neetu's teeth. The bus is passing through the tunnel. The woman is working very hard all the time. We are making a tree house. Many birds are making nest on tree. The teachers are going to attend a training. He is teaching classes 11th and 12th. Okay. Next we have use of have or has. The girls have black hair. A cow has 4 legs. Father has his cell phone with him. Children, as you observe, with the singular we are using has, and plurals it is have. The children have a match today. Many homeless people have nothing to eat. Jaipur has a very big fort. A pentagon has 5 sides. The woman has a job. Sujay has fever today. All the students have their music class.